Hello friends, welcome to our channel Quiz with Sanvika. I am your host Swagatika
and I am Sai Sanvika.
In this channel, we are going to share some of the interesting quiz questions on different topics. So in this video, let's see the MCQ of Science Olympiad on birds.
Let's start.
Which of the following bird can mimicry? Options are A. Owl, B. Nightingale, C. Parrot, and D. Dove.
Answer is C. Parrot.
Which of the following bird dives into water to catch fishes? Options are A. Kite, B. Kingfisher, C. Hornbill, and D. Duck.
Answer is B. Kingfisher.
Hawks, eagles, vultures, and falcons are which of the following birds? Options are A. Weaver bird, B. Wading bird, C. Swimming bird, and D. Praying bird.
Answer is D. Praying bird.
Which bird that lays its eggs in the nest of a crow? Options are A. Woodpecker, B. Cuckoo, C. Pigeon, and D. Dove.
Answer is B. Cuckoo.
What slowly develops into a chick within the eggs? Options are A. Yolk, B. Larva, C. Embryo, and D. Pupa.
Answer is A. Yolk.
Which type of beak is used by birds to take out insects live under the bark of the trees? Options are A. Flat shaped, B. Chisel shaped, C. Cone shaped, and D. Hook like shaped.
Answer is B. Chisel shaped.
How many chambers are there in bird's heart? Options are A. 2, B. 5, C. 6, and D. 4.
Answer is D. 4.
Which of the following bird builds a nest by using its beak to weave with piece of leaves, grass, and twigs together? Options are A. Sparrow, B. Crow, C. Woodpecker, and D. Ostrich.
Answer is A. Sparrow.
Which of the following bird cannot fly and living in cold place at poles? Options are A. Ostrich, B. Kiwi, C. Penguin, and D. Flamingo.
Answer is C. Penguin.
Which bird can fly backward? Options are A. Hummingbird, B. Owl, C. Kingfisher, and D. Eagle.
Answer is a hummingbird. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icons to get the new upcoming videos.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.